Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Diamond, and if you don't know me, I'm Diamond. I lost over 60 pounds with the information that I'm sharing with you, and I'm here to help you lose weight and reclaim your health. So, today's video, we're going to talk about what to do if you mess up on your keto journey. So, one of the biggest, most important aspects of weight loss is keeping your carbs and sugar low. So, that's one of the main things that I talk about on my channel. And the reason why that's important is so that your body can tap into fat burning. If you want to learn more on how to tap into fat burning and lose weight, how I was able to lose over 60 pounds, my ebook is linked down below. It will teach you all the steps on how to lose weight effectively in the most seamless and easy way possible. Okay, but back to what I was saying, it's really important to keep your carbs and your sugar low. So I believe that keto is a lifestyle. I believe that you should never break your keto under any circumstances, but I understand that we're human. Things happen, there are temptations out there. So this video is just going to be about what to do if you do mess up on your keto, how to get your body back into ketosis fast. So first of all, what is keto? What is ketosis? What are we talking about here? So keto is a lifestyle that you do not eat sugar or carbohydrates. The reason why keto is so effective for weight loss is because it teaches your body how to use your body fat as an energy source. So rather than using the carbs and sugar, you want to tap into fat burning. And ketosis is the state of fat burning. So, ketosis is when your body is in a state of burning fat for energy and no longer using sugar or carbohydrates. That is why keto and ketosis is extremely important for weight loss. So, what should you do if you accidentally slip up, you eat a cupcake, let's just say, and now you're craving more and more and more? You don't know how to stop and you don't know how to get your body back into a state of fat burning quickly. I'm only giving you guys a couple tips on what to do to get your body back into a state of ketosis fast. If you want a full list of things that I have done that has helped get my body back into a state of ketosis quickly, the handful of times that I've messed up on my keto journey, definitely get my e-guide. It's linked down below. It's going to be a very short and sweet guide on how to get your body back into ketosis fast. It'll give you all the tips that has helped me. Go get it. It'll help you tremendously. One tip that you should definitely do if you want to get your body back into a state of ketosis quickly is you want to take some apple cider vinegar and some water. You can just take a cap full of apple cider vinegar, put it in some water, and drink it. Okay, the reason why that's good is because apple cider vinegar can help regulate your blood sugars. So, apple cider vinegar actually keeps helps to keep your blood sugar levels stable so that you are not having these huge blood sugar spikes that are spiking your insulin, making you more hungry, etc., etc. The reason why blood sugar is so important on this journey is because blood sugar spikes and crashes are the reason why people have all these cravings, all this insatiable hunger, which is affecting their insulin levels and things like that. So apple cider vinegar will be an amazing thing to take. You don't need a lot. You just need like a capful and some water, and make sure you drink the whole thing. It'll be an amazing thing to take for you to help keep your blood sugar level stable so that you're not having as bad of an effect. I mean, of course, if you're taking sugar or carbohydrates, it's going to spike your blood sugar, but apple cider vinegar can help a little bit with balancing out the blood sugar levels. Okay. Another tip on what to do to get your body back into a state of ketosis fast is exercising. Do cardio. Cardio is going to help you burn the glycogen that is inside of your body. So basically, what happens when you eat high sugar and high starch or high carb foods is that there's something called glycogen, which is basically stored sugar. It ends up in your body. And so, in order to burn it off, you want to do some sort of cardio that'll help get rid of all the sugar that is in your body and get your body back into a state of fat burning quickly, because you want to get rid of all the sugar that is stored in order to tap into fat burning faster. So a great way to do that is do some cardio. You can even just walk if necessary. Walking can even be helpful. But cardio is really good. Try to burn it off, and make sure that your body can get back into a state of fat burning quickly. My last tip for you guys is to embrace the fact that you're bloating and just let the time pass. Take this as a lesson, okay? Take this as a lesson to never mess up on keto again. I've only broken my keto a handful of times, and the few times that I have done it, I've regretted it so much. And when you are used to eating a low carb healthy keto lifestyle, healthy keto diet, your body is in a certain state where it's used to eating healthy food. And when you do get off of that plan, you feel super icky, you feel bloated, you feel fat, you just feel terrible. So my advice is to just let that pass. Do not get on the scale, because the scale is going to show more weight than you would like to see, and it's going to probably make you pass out. So don't even look at the scale. Just focus on getting your body back into a state of fat burning, and letting the time pass. It'll pass, but just make sure that you stay on your keto plan moving forward, okay? Because the worst thing that you can do is let the cravings take over and keep eating more and more and more sugar and carbs, okay? So make sure that you're doing that. Make sure you're just accepting the fact that you messed up, and take this as a lesson to never do it again. When you embrace that discomfort and you embrace the bloating and you embrace the weight gain, it's a very good learning lesson for you to not let it happen again, and to teach you, the value of a healthy diet. Because the minute that you're used to eating a healthy diet and then you eat something that's completely off your plan, it just it reminds you why you changed your lifestyle for the better to begin with. It makes it a lot easier for you to stick to it once you make those mistakes a couple times and realize, the pleasure of the food, the 15 seconds of pleasure was not even worth how I'm feeling, for these past few days, because it can last for a couple days before you can snap back into ketosis. So, especially depending on how long you've been on keto. If you've only been doing keto for a short amount of time, it'll take a long time to get your body back into a state of ketosis. Now, if you've been doing keto for a much longer time, your body can snap back easily, a lot quicker, because it is fat adapted. And fat adapted just means that your body is used to using body fat as its energy source. But I would never recommend for someone that is new to keto to be breaking their keto at any point. Honestly, I would never recommend anyone to break their keto at any point, but sometimes things happen. So that's why I'm making this video, just to help you guys out if you just so happen to break your keto diet and you want to get back into ketosis fast. Now, I hope these tips were helpful, you guys. If you guys want a full-fledged guide on what to do if you break your keto, I do have a link down below on the steps that you should be taking if you break your ketosis, what to do. It is linked down below. It is super short and sweet, but it gives you everything that has helped me on my journey. I've only broken my keto a handful of times, but the few times that I did, I regretted it severely. So definitely check that out. I hope this video was helpful, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what you want to see next, okay? Bye.